Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kanita, and if you haven't already, which I don't know what else you could be doing, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you know the next time your girl posts. Thank you to my day ones and all my new subscribers. Thank you. We are on video 22, you guys. So let's jump straight into this. It's a hair review. The hair that I'll be working with today is Jessica hair, you guys. This is a transparent lace, 16 inches, water wave, 13 by 4, Brazilian Remy human hair, pre-plucked with baby hairs, y'all. Come on. Now, I'm just playing. Y'all, and for the amount, it is $89, y'all. Very affordable. Very, very affordable. $89 for a human hair. Transparent lace, you guys. This is a 16 inch, but they also go up to 24 inches. But of course, the price varies. So if you are interested in this hair, check that description box below. So y'all, let's get into this. Let's get into this hair. Transparent lace, A1, ladies. I love it. Right here, I'm gonna be showing you guys the adjustable straps, the combs where they're placed in the unit as well. And just for me to mention, you guys see that tag? That's their company's name, and also how to take care and care for your hair. I thought that was the cutest little detail. So y'all, this hair is beautiful. Did it hit the length check? Yes, it did. Y'all didn't have to ask me. I was going to tell you it hit the length check for the 16 inches. So I'm going to say true to length. Did I receive any shedding? Yes, I did get minimal shedding once I washed it. But after that, it was fine. It went back and popped back to these curls. I felt like the unit needed to be wet a lot. Like you would have to get this Isoplus and a little water or a little cream for curls to put on it. That's what I did. I really don't prefer putting a product on it, but for this one, I did, and it still didn't remain. It didn't get hard or anything. The curls still popped. It was still, flowing through the winds. So I really did enjoy this unit. If you are not used to plucking, if you don't know how to pluck, this is a very good unit for you because as you can see, they already pre-plucked it and they did a good job. I mean, very good. Of course, your girl is still going to add a little plucking. But if you're not used to plucking or anything like this, y'all, this is good. You have a lot of room to do different styles, ponytails, all of that. So check it out on this mannequin head. You guys can see how they pluck game is. Very good. They did a very good job. So this would be excellent if you're not good in plucking, y'all. And even with the lace, you don't even have to bleach it. So if you're not good in plucking, you're not good in bleaching, and you wanted to try this lace, this transparent lace melts beautifully into your scalp. If you can just get a stocking cap and put on there and all of that, you are good to go with this unit. So I'm going to give you guys today an in-depth video on the things that I do, a couple of tricks on what I do when I'm installing this unit. So you guys make sure you stay to the end. I hope you enjoy this video. I am going to come back in on the end just, to holler back at my girls and see what you guys thought. And before I forget, I do not want you guys to forget this giveaway. It ends May 10th. So head over to my IG. Enjoy the install. And this is your finished result, ladies. What is this? A baddie. A baddie. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like more videos like this, please put that in the comments. Let me know what you think. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.